There's no time like the present.
1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3.
Our world is hidden. We are hidden to ourselves, to each other. But the sparks of light lie in wait inside us all. Seams of gold, a lovely porcelain bowl made of earth and dust, passed down from hand to hand, from life to life, home to home. Seams of gold in a windowsill lit by the sun. A breeze blows by, generations come and go. Seams of gold. A wind blows in from the cold, made of smoke and dust, passed down from hand to hand, from life to life, heart to heart. Seams of gold in a windowsill broken in two. A dream flies by, generations come and go. Veins of gold fill the cracks of what's been shattered. Veins of gold are the scars of who we are. Only hearts can see what's hidden. Only hearts can see the light. Shine a light on the broken pieces. Shine a light on the broken world. Shine a light on what's forgotten. Take the broken pieces and change the world.